Broadriver Plumbing is the best slab leak repair service in Bluffton. Slab leaks are usually a common plumbing disaster that exists in many houses. By definition, these are water leaks that occur below concrete slabs in your home. They can be very frustrating because they occur below massive concrete slabs. It is necessary to know the telltale signs of such leaks, so that you can promptly take remedial actions. For more details on slab repair, get in touch with Broadriver Plumbing today. Call Broadriver Plumbing 843-271-6336. Visit us online www.broadriverplumbing.com. Are you looking for a plumber to deal with your leakages? Look no further. At Broadriver Plumbing, we pride ourselves on quality for the best slab repair service in Bluffton. Not only do we diagnose your building for leaks, but we also provide professional remedial actions at an affordable cost. Therefore, if you suspect any slab leaks wherever you are, do not hesitate to reach out to us today and have it fixed. Call Broadriver Plumbing 843-271-6336.